Our client Nexthold Enterprises specializes in creating VR workplace induction and safety training experiences. It's a B2B business model and sell each experience as a product. Our team is tasked with creating a high-fidelity and fully functional VR experience that upholds the industry standards, is created in Unity, and compatible with Oculus Quest 2. Our team consists of 4 members, working in partnership and guided by the client, who is Carter.
We responded to the brief by creating a completely functional forklift and warehouse environment that is created in Unity and is optimized for the Oculus Quest 2. The experience focuses on 4 main modules: the inspection, the startup process, driving capabilities, and lifting.
Upon opening the experience, the user first sees the office room where they learn and try out the controls. This room is also where the user can select which module to play through. The first module is the inspection phase. The player first goes through a guided tutorial where they learn what needs to be inspected on a forklift. After completing the tutorial, the player then manually applies the process themselves, conducting an external and internal inspection. The accuracy of the user's inspection process and identification is tested via a quiz, which upon being successfully completed, moves them on to the next module.
The next module is Startup and Driving. Upon entering this module, the user is guided through the startup sequence and completes a short driving and reversing tutorial to understand and grasp the controls. After the tutorial, the user is then able to play through the driving course, where they will navigate through the warehouse and shelving while avoiding any collisions. Upon entering this module, the user is guided through a tutorial on how to operate the mast and forks. After the tutorial, the user can finally apply all the knowledge gained through the experience and complete a short task of loading crates into the required places.